Verify location on Google Maps. In today's video, you are going to learn how to verify location on Google Maps. So let's get started. First, sign into Google My Business account. And here is where you manage and verify your business listing. Then add your business name, address, and contact information. Then double check everything for accuracy to avoid verification issues. Then choose a verification method. You can choose between them. You can use postcard by mail or phone call or text. You can also do mail and video call verification. By choosing any verification method, if you choose postcard, wait a few days for it to arrive. Then enter the code online. For video calls, show your business signage and location during the call. Once verified, review your business information and confirm it's correct. Your business will now appear accurately on Google Maps for customers to find. And that's how you will be able to verify location on Google Maps.